I recently purchased this iPad 9 used on eBay for $72.50. Shipped for free, but it's parts. Sold for parts as well as no warranty. The reason why it was sold so cheaply, here it is because they said that it was bent. You can see from here it's slightly bent, but once you put on a case you can't really tell. So I think I got a pretty decent deal, even though it's an iPad 9, which is like 4 years old. This is only 2 generations away from the latest iPad. You can see it's not scratched up on the back. The only major thing is there's 2 dings over here. Ding, a big dent over here. So a ding and a big dent. But the screen itself is pretty clean. It just smudge prints on it. Not too many scratches. So I've already turned this on factory reset and used it for a few days, and it's pretty good. The highlight of it is when I check the warranty status, it shows that it's September 25th, 2024. So it's about 10 months old. I mean, 10 months past. It's about 10 months past its warranty. To find out when it was first used, you just add another year typically, because this is a regular warranty. And so this is less than 2 years old, which is really nice. So a less than 2-year-old iPad 9 for $72, $72.50 plus tax, because I live in California. And then I checked the battery on this using coconut battery, and it actually, even though it says here it's about 3 years old in terms of the battery, the nice thing is it's only been charged 25 times. So the design capacity, how much capacity the battery has, is still at 100%, which is pretty cool. So long story short, I gambled on a parts iPad, which was bent. This thing over here, it was bent. It doesn't have a warranty, but only cost $72 on eBay. So it's one of the better deals I've gotten. I was willing to take a chance just because I felt like the user, the seller wasn't willing to test it out, and they just wanted to post it on eBay and get a quick sell. To put things into consideration, one of these used online is probably around $140 or $150. So I probably save myself about 50%. As well as when you buy used, you don't usually get ones with a good battery on it. So I rolled the dice and was able to get a good battery on this iPad, and it's relatively not too old. Again, this is less than 2 years old, and so it seems like a pretty decent deal for me. That's the reason why I'm pretty happy I get a deal like this. But you know, when you roll the dice with eBay or any online program, you never know what you're gonna get. So that's it. That's why I purchased recently. I gotta stop buying these old broken electronics. But the main reason why I bought this was to replace one of my kids' iPads. It was running an older iPad, and so I just wanted to upgrade it, and then I'll probably end up using their old iPad because I'm using something that's, I think the iPad's from 2016, so it's already 9 years old, and I'd like to upgrade to a little something a little faster.